Do you want to make the most of your Threads experience? In this short tutorial, I will guide you through the process of finding the Activities tab on Threads, helping you to easily locate mentions, replies, and follow requests within the app. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Threads app and then tap on the heart icon at the bottom right. So this is the Activities tab on the Threads app. At the very top, you'll see these buttons. You can tap on the Requests button to see all the follow requests you got. You can tap on the Replies button to see all the replies. You can tap on the Mentions button to see all the mentions. It is so quick and easy to find all that information within this tab. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.